We started using Zoho Books a couple of years back, and believe me, after using Zoho Books, I have never looked back at Tally again. So we are primarily into turnkey projects, and we specialize in filling and packaging machinery for cosmetics, playing cards, perfumes, and personal and beauty care products. Earlier, accounting was a very complex and complicated process for me. We were using Tally, and Tally, as everyone knows it, it is a very old software. But understanding Tally and doing transactions in Tally and actually getting to dive into the accounting of my business was really difficult for me, as I was not able to access it on the go or not able to understand all the complicated commands and functions in it. And it was not very user friendly or intuitive as well. Right now, I have integrated my ICICI bank account with Zoho Books, and I make all of my payments directly from Zoho Books with a click of a button. And my vendors, they don't have to follow up with me for payments. They don't need to really check back, and we have reduced so many working hours in responding to our vendors for payments follow-up. Apart from that, Zoho Books also has a very beautiful and customizable dashboard which gives me insights into my business, accounting, and financial information on the go. Also, we are using Zoho Books for reminders, which was a very critical part of my business. Every business wants to get paid on time, and how to do it. So I set up reminders in Zoho Books, which automatically send professional emails with statements and invoices and all the data that a customer requires to make payments on time. Another major integration which I have found very useful with Zoho Books is GST returns filing. I actually don't go to the GST website at all. I file my returns using Zoho Books integration directly from Zoho Books. And this gives me the control, the ability to audit everything before a return is filed, so that I know everything that is being done and posted to the government site on GST is actually 100% accurate. So with a click of a button, when I click validate, I can see that it pops up with the complete information regarding that business, and I am able to be 100% sure that we are entering the correct information for the vendor or a customer. Further than that, we are also using purchase orders, bills, debit notes, credit notes, vendor payments, banking. It has been such a wonderful experience for me using Zoho Books and transitioning out of Tally. I would recommend everyone to go ahead and use Zoho Books. There is nothing like it.